Chris trusted me 100% and put an offer in on the house without even seeing it first. Good thing he liked it. We eventually closed on March 31st, 2016, and we started demolition the very next day. Don't worry, we had a contractor and he did all of the structural things that we had no idea how to do. We watched HGTV for design inspiration and even more YouTube for instructional videos on how to do things like scraping popcorn ceilings, cutting tile, installing tile, how to grout, how to do electrical, change out lighting fixtures, how to change out faucets, install a garbage disposal, install a dishwasher. You name it, we watched a video for it. It took $7,000 and 18 months for us to finish the renovation. During that 18 months, we got engaged, planned a wedding, and got married. They say that planning a wedding and renovating a house are two of the most stressful things that you can do, and we did them both at the same time. Are we crazy or what? We didn't do 18 straight months of renovation. The best advice that I can give you guys is to do it in chunks. Do it task by task. And after you complete one task, take a break, 2 weeks, a month, put all your tools up, don't look at another project. And then, once you've recovered from the stress of getting that one task done, then start on the next one. We decided pretty early on that a major must was to make all the flooring on the first floor uniform. So we took our time and we had to figure out what would be the best shade of brown, how wide should the wood be, what texture should the wood be, because it's going to be over 1,000 square feet of flooring, so it had to look good. We're usually a really chill couple, so we don't fuss and fight too much anyway. Small things, but never anything super large. During this whole process, the only thing that made us really aggravated with each other was when we were tiling our walk-in shower. The shower was 5 feet long by 4 feet wide. It had double shower heads, and I decided that I wanted white subway tiles. And instead of going with the large format tiles like Chris wanted, I was like, no, I want the small subway tiles. So he caved and we did these small subway tiles. And it took 700 tiles to tile that shower. We had no idea what we were doing, so we were doing it in small batches. Every day we would do about 50 to 100 tiles. So it took us about a week to finish that shower. And every night we would just fuss at each other, and we would just have to stop what we were doing when we ran out of grout and mortar, and then just hug and say, let's go eat, so that we wouldn't stress each other out. But we made it through the other side, but I never want to see small subway tiles ever again.
Upstairs guest bathroom is builder original, from 1992 when the house was built. Our house is 25 years old. He's decided to start on the renovations that I've been asking him to do since October 2016. Yes, you heard me right. So I come upstairs and this is what I find. So, more home improvement chronicles. This is the upstairs guest bathroom. We have taken everything out of it, and we are in the process of putting it.
This was the last inside project, and we were so excited to be finishing up with this renovation. And as you would know it, fate laughed at us, and our hot water tank went out, and it cost us additional $450 to get a new one. And then the plumber wanted to charge us $400 to install it. So you know what we did? Went to YouTube and did it ourselves. So I'm going to be quiet and let you guys finish watching the video. So it's moving day. Well, actually closing day. It's our last day here, right, babe?
Yep, out of this place.
Hopefully it will be a loving home to a new young couple, just like it was. What are you saying, babe?
Alright, I'm about to shut it. This is it forever.
This is it forever.
Door's locked and we ain't got no keys.
You got everything you need?
Do you?
Shut it!
Shut it!
Shut it!
Shut it!
Shut it!